Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Miele app error code 500. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, error code 500 indicates that there's a communication hiccup between the Miele app and your household appliance, usually due to network issues like a weak Wi-Fi signal or the appliance being offline. So to troubleshoot, start by ensuring that your router's Wi-Fi is actually turned on. Now, many of my routers have a light that indicates whether the Wi-Fi is active. So make sure that it's actually blinking or make sure it's actually turned on. Now, next, confirm that your home Wi-Fi network is up and running and that your appliance is properly linked to it. Now, additionally, take a look at the Wi-Fi signal strength displayed on your Miele appliance's screen, and this can give you insight or ideas into the connection quality. So if you see it very low, you might want to consider moving it a lot closer to your interconnection. Now, if all fails, you might need to reset the Wi-Fi connection between your Miele or Miele application and your home network. Now, this step can often resolve connectivity problems and get your appliance back online. But in this case, those are the steps that you could try here and probably solve this issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.